The 600 watt InstaCuppa 3-in-1 multi-cook kettle comes with a stainless steel steamer, a stainless steel idli tray, a glass lid and stainless steel inner pot. It also comes with a space saver egg boiling tray. The power cable is detachable and you also get a scrub and a spatula. It is equipped with single press easy operation with 2 heat settings. You can make a variety of dishes hassle-free with this 1.2 liter multi-cook kettle. With this multi-cook kettle you can do a lot, right from boiling milk or tea for coffee to tempering to make curry or sabzi or soupy noodles for instance. With the tempering of onion, tomato, some red chili, here I am making soupy noodles. The soupy noodles are done within 5 minutes. Next I am boiling some eggs. So in goes some water and eggs in the tray. Depending on your taste on medium, soft or hard boiled eggs, you can choose the time. Perfectly hard boiled eggs are ready in just 15 minutes. Not just packaged soups, but you can also make soups from scratch with this multi-kettle. Here I am making some hot and sour soup with some vegetables, red chili powder, soy sauce and cornflour slurry, and within minutes the soup is ready. With the idli steamer you can make idli, dhokla, steamed cake and lot more. The dhokla is ready in just 5 minutes. Just add tempering and it's ready to serve.